Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video, I am sharing a great website where you can make money by just uploading videos online. So without dragging a bit, we'll start off with a video and start making money today. Now this is the website guys, it's called rumble.com. Link of this website will be in the description box below. So if you are interested, you can click on the link and make money now. In this video, I'll be letting you out a lot of information about what is Rumble, how you can make money out of it, and pros and cons of this website. So if you are interested, you can watch this video without skipping it. But if you are very eager to know about the pros and cons and review of it, I have given the timestamps in the description box, so you can click on the timestamps for whichever you want to know about it and you can listen to that part alone. So now we'll start off with it. Now what is Rumble? Rumble is actually a video sharing platform which is very similar to YouTube or Instagram or Facebook. You have so many other social media platforms which allows you to share your videos and photos. So but this one is exclusively for videos. So this platform is very similar. I can actually relate it to YouTube because it's very similar to it. You are going to make money out of it. But take YouTube. Now YouTube is very hard to monetize your channel because you have to have this 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers in order to monetize your channel. But here in Rumble you don't need to have anything. You don't have to manage, like the 4,000 hours or 1,000 subscribers. You don't need anything actually. You just have to post videos, and then you have to manage your license, which I'll be telling you in the next part of this video. So you have to manage that and you're going to make money. So it's very easy guys. This website is actually free. You don't have to pay anything for this one, and you can also actually make money in two ways with this website. So number one will be uploading videos and making money with the ad revenue, and number two will be sharing your referral link and getting people inside this using your referral link. So if people are using your link and getting registered with this website, you will be making 5% ad revenue from whatever they are making out. Like if they are making around $100, you will be getting 5% out of it. So I think that's great guys. So you have to sign up with this one is legit guys. You don't have to worry about it. Now moving on with the second part. Now you can see on screen, I'm just trying to register myself here. I'm providing my, these are all very basic guys. You will be having these things in all the websites wherever you want to register. So this is very similar to all the other websites. You can either choose Facebook, Google or Apple account to register directly, or you can use your username and password, which is the old method. I'm just choosing my Google account to just log in and create my account. And once you just click on with the registering your account, you will be here in a page where you have to enter all your personal details, which is like the phone number, your country, and the type of account you are wishing to open it up, and all the other personal details. So I'll be filling all of these things, and even if you're doing it along with my video, then just follow all these things, just fill it up guys. It's very easy. And then once you're done with this, once you click on the submit button, you will be getting a verification mail to the mail ID to which you have given in first. So to that mail ID you will be receiving a verification mail, and then when you click on the link, your account will be verified. But it's not over guys. I will tell you more information about this website, but before that, make sure you click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now back to the video. Once your account is verified, you have to click on the verification, like it should be verified with your phone number in order to upload videos and make money out of it. So do that guys. I don't think it's actually available in India because I wasn't able to verify my account to upload videos. But I have seen a lot of YouTube videos on how to get it verified if you are in India. The thing is, like, I don't feel like it's actually legit, or like it's actually safe to do that. I don't want it to do that, so I didn't do it. In order to upload it, you have to verify your phone number. So that's all about it guys. So if you are in any other country other than India, you can just start making money immediately, but in India I don't think it's available. Now about the licensing part of your video, you have four different type of licensing in Rumble. One is like exclusive one, where you are allowing Rumble to distribute your videos all over the internet. And number two is video management, where you are allowing Rumble to distribute for all the third party things, but you are not allowing it in the YouTube channel, like Rumble's own YouTube channel. And the third one is Rumble's license, which is you're excluding or eliminating all the third party apps and YouTube channels of Rumble, and you're just making the video available only in Rumble. And the last one is not for sale, which is like you're not willing to promote it, or it's only within Rumble and you don't want any other things to be promoted. So it's up to you. You have to choose any one, but the number one license, which is exclusive management license, is the most profitable one. If you are allowing your video to be distributed all over the internet, you will be making a lot of money. But if you think that your copyright might be compromised, or if you think it is not fair to share it, then you can just give the Rumble license, which should be only within rumble.com. So it's up to you guys. It depends upon how much money you want, and how much you want to protect your copyright. So that's all about it, guys. Now the last one is how you get your payout. You need $50 threshold. You need to get that $50, and then you will be getting the payout processed. Now you have two ways to get that payout. One is through PayPal, and another one is to Payoneer. And now the last part is my pros and cons. I feel this should have been available in India also, but I think in future we might get it, but I'm not sure. You have other YouTube videos where it tells how you have to sign up for this website, if you, even if you are in India, but I don't think it's actually fair to do that. So I'm just trying it out, guys. If I try out and if I get the payout, I'll be posting it in my Facebook page or in Instagram page. So make sure you check it out. And then as far as I know, this is legit, and this one is like a really good idea, guys, because you don't need any subscribers, or you don't need any very strict watch time hours or something like that, which rules out you, like, it's very hard to get into that. But this one will instantly give you so much amount of money. So I have seen so many other people making money, so I think this is a great way. So I really wanted you guys to make money. So that's all about it, guys. We'll meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.